my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here that I'm wearing. This look was inspired by a look I did quite a while ago, but I had a lot of people really love it, so I definitely wanted to get this tutorial out there. Yes, I have been gone for about 6 months or so, but I'm super excited to be jumping back into makeup tutorials, and I finally have my setup. I've moved, so now I'm in my apartment, and I finally have a decent setup where I'm not like smushed in like a little square like I used to be at my old house. So that's exciting. But yeah, lots of great things coming your way. If you guys want to see how to get this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Alright guys, so we're going to start off with brows, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And I usually start with the tail of my brow and just kind of create a pointed kind of shape on the end, and then connect everything else, and then just fill in my brow. So you can kind of see how I do that here. And next I'll just go in with a spoolie and blend out any harsh lines. And then I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am going to clean up these brows with a flat concealer brush by e.l.f. And you can kind of see how I do that here by just kind of placing the concealer everywhere underneath my brows and just kind of cleaning up anywhere that looks messy. Next, I'm just going to prep my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I use it before and after all of my makeup. And then I'm just going to conceal my lid so that we can go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. And then I will use the RCMA No color powder and this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that powder all over my lid so that it is set and ready to go. Of course, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. It is absolutely incredible, such a beautiful palette. And I'm taking this Morphe, I believe this brush is the M433. It's either M433 or M441, I can't remember. But I'm just going to be taking this color here and blending this all over my lid, and then I'm taking this one and doing the same thing basically, but focusing this one a little bit more closer to the crease just to kind of define it and give it a little bit more definition. And then I'll just go back and forth with each brush and each color just to like fully blend that out. Then I'm taking this beautiful Morphe shade. I'll have everything linked in there, but I'm just taking this on a flatter brush and kind of blending this all over my lid. This color is a little bit harder to get a lot of pigment, so you do have to apply a lot of it, so you can kind of see me going back and forth. I'll take this deeper color just to kind of make the crease a little bit more defined and kind of blend out that blue color, and then I'll go back and forth with the colors, add a little bit more blue, and then go back in with the brown, add a little bit more blue, back in with the brown, and you get that. So you can see I'm doing that here. Next, I'm just going to clean up the sides of this look with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and I'm just going to clean that up, and then I'm going to prime my face once again with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea complexion oil. I'll have everything linked down below because I don't remember the exact name for this, but I'm just going to blend this into my skin, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation, and I'm just going to kind of squirt that all over my face and use my Morphe M439 foundation brush and just blend that all over my face, as you can see. And of course, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for my under eyes and the bridge of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow around my nose, and of course my forehead, and then any blemishes, of course. Then I'll just blend this out with a damp beauty sponge and just make sure that everything looks super blended and flawless. A really cool trick I like to do when my beauty sponge is kind of a little bit dry in the middle of blending, I just use a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to blend out the rest of my concealer. And then I'm going to bake my face with the RCMA No color powder and leave that on for a little bit while I do some other things. Of course, I'm using the Too Faced bronzer. And I know it's so sad, it's almost gone, but I'm just going to bronze up my face and chisel out my cheekbones, make me look super snatched. And then just dust away all of that once you finish bronzing. And it skipped the part where I did my under eyes, but I just used the same colors that I used on top as the bottom. Sorry for the mess up, but my camera decided to stop recording. But I'm just going to apply some eyeliner to finish off my eye look. I'm just using the e.l.f. liquid liner as always, and then of course applying some mascara, the Voluminous Original Mascara by L'Oreal. Just applying a generous coat over my lashes before my lash application. And I'm just using the Flutter Lashes in the style Intoxicating. Everybody knows that this is my favorite style. And then just a soft kohl, just to kind of smoke out my bottom lash line, just to make that look a little bit more dramatic. And then, of course, applying more mascara to the bottom lashes to kind of pull the look all together. Next, for blush, I'm blending these two colors together by Coastal Scents. Absolutely love this brand. They are totally underrated. Their makeup is so great. Then I'm going in with the Jouer Skinny Dip Highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that with a brush and then go over it with a damp beauty sponge. And this just kind of makes your highlighter pop and just look metallic and stunning. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and go back and forth with my beauty sponge and my brush until I get it the way I like it. And then I'm going in with a fan brush because it's a little bit smaller, a little bit more precise for my brow bone. And then to highlight my inner corner, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. And I'm using the Nicki Minaj line by MAC. And this is the lipstick called Nikki's Nude. Absolutely incredible lipstick. The pigmentation is amazing and the formula is incredible. I absolutely love it. And of course, you already guessed it, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with that Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and that completes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and tell your friends and your family and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.